which is more than I could have ever dreamed of. And I thought that was painful. And you said
New
you felt
video.
pain for it. Neither did I. But
Listen to him snoring.
I've lost your confidence. My dear, take that go away. I am
Dlaczego?
and I beg your forgiveness from the bottom of my heart. It's your inheritance. Promise that it will change nothing. Only if you want it to. Welcome home, Edith.